Look at these. You want to eat them? Yummy. These dogs are gonna love me. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another dog video. I had that the wrong way. Oops. So this is my puppy Honey, and I do have another one called Cookie, who I'm making these, no, did I have it the right way? I don't know. These little pizza paws for. I'm not much of a cooker, so I'm not sure how these are going to turn out, but I saw these in Best Friends the other day, so I thought I really need to try it because it is so cute. So that was my thought process anyway. Okay, so the one that we're going to be trying to cook today is these Pizza Paws Dog Pizza Mix. The brand is Mix and Bake. I'm not sure if you can buy them online. Oh no. For more info and feedback, go to mixandbake.com.au, and they also have an Instagram as well. So that could be fun. Alright, let's try and make this and hope that it doesn't go wrong. So it pretty much just says mix with oil, water and bake, and it's all natural ingredients. So it says you'll need water, vegetable oil, flour, a rolling pin. I don't have a rolling pin. I've lost my rolling pin. I will find something else to use as a rolling pin. Oh my god. Okay, so let's get a bowl first of all. Okay, I'm just going to preheat the oven first. So I'm going to preheat that to 180 degrees. So now we are going to open it. Okay, so I'm just going to take out this. Alright, so we're going to put that all in here. So then we need to put 150 mils of water. So this is 125. I'll do a little bit more. Okay. And then we need 30 mils of oil. How the hell do you know what that is if it doesn't tell you? That's 60. Okay, we're going to do half of one of these. As you can tell, I really don't cook. Ah! Oh my god. This is fun. So do half of that. Mix to form a fairly firm dough. Okay. I've got a wooden spoon and we're going to try and make this work. I may have to get out my electric beaters. Unless it needs more water. We're going to put more water in this. I may be wrong. Oh, this is funny. It's kind of lagging. I think it needs more water. I may have added too much water. Oh my god, dogs, this may not work. You know what I'm going to be sneaky? I'm going to add some more flour. Not powder. This is just plain flour. We got this. We got this, Cookie. These dogs are like, holy gee, what is she doing in the kitchen? don't know. We may add a little bit more just because it's very sticky. But it's like working. We got this. This is okay. Okay, now we are going to rest for 10 minutes and hopefully I have not added too much water to it. But 10 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, so I have let it sit for 10 minutes. Is anyone as worried as I am? I'm very curious to see how these are going to turn out. Okay, so transfer the dough to a lightly floured work surface with a rolling pin. Roll out the dough to approximately 7mm thick. Spike the dough with a fork all over into the shape with your pizza paw cutter. Okay, remove this, make sure everything is dry. That's not dry, that's wet. Okay, I'm going to go find something to use as a rolling pin. Okay, this is as close as I'm getting to a rolling pin. Don't worry, it's empty and I've cleaned the outside so that the dogs don't get any sort of on it. So, thank God for Batiste. So I'm just going to put, I'm going to do this lightly. Oh, there's little clumps everywhere. It's on my neck. This is fun. This is the funniest thing I think I've ever done. Still very sticky. Oh well. This is going to be so much fun because I literally just lifted a nail. So, I feel like I need to put that over the top as well. You know how we do this. I don't even know how thick 7mm is. Oh my God. What am I doing to myself? Oh, okay. I don't know. Why does anyone trust me and get down? I don't know. I don't know. It's looking like it's working. I just don't know how thick 7mm is. And this isn't like the best rolling pin. It's doing its job. So we can't complain. Okay. So now I need to get a fork. And what do I need to do? Spike the dough with a fork all over. Okay, so I'm just going to spike it. Okay, I think that's some good spiking. And a lightly greased baking tray. Can you grease the baking tray with vegetable oil? Does that work? I don't know. I'm going to get my baking tray, get some paper towel. I have no idea how to grease the baking tray. Put some oil. Ah! And grease it up. Is this working? Well, it's going to be very oily. The oven is ready anyway, so I really need to hurry up. So I also got a pizza paw cutter that is just an insane brand by Mix and Bake, and it is from Best Friends as well. So in total, I think this whole thing cost me about $20. I think this was about $5 and that was pretty much about $15. So yeah, it's really not that deal. Oh, it's a bin day. Oh, that's exciting. It is honestly so cute. It's like a little paw print. So we are going to start cutting. I'm sticking on the tray, I think. Oops. They make me a little bit slimy. I don't know how like big they get. I swear I know this is gonna look like a paw because I think it's my cutting, but we'll see how they go. Oh, that's a bit sticky, that one. I'm going to put these first lot of paws into the oven. Okay, for about 15 minutes. I feel like I'm a bacon. My mom will be so proud of me if these turn out good. I'll be so proud of me if these turn out good. This is exciting. This is exciting. I wish I could clean this out. Oh, but I still got more. Oh, yes I do. I'm getting another bowl. And we're going to make the topping on the pizza. So it is this little baggie of stuff that come in the bag with the flour. And this is what is going to go on the pizza. And also, oh, that stinks. Oh, that stinks like cheese. Oh, gross. Okay, we're going to get 40 mils of tap water. So 40 mils of water. Oh, it stinks. And 20 mils of oil. Okay. So like 25. Okay. And mix together. So I'm gonna get a spoon. I'm just gonna. Ew, that's so cute. It's so gross. It's like stuff. Actually pretty cool, but really gross at the same time. Like this whole stinks. Ew. Oh, stinks like cheese. Yuck. It actually like it's I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to run out, but you'll see it when I put it on the little things. Ew, honey, it's gross. I don't know if they're done or not. How do you know? They're cooked. I think they're done. Okay. Okay, so both lots are out of the oven. I have already put the toppings on these ones, as you can see. And now I'm just going to put the rest of the toppings on these ones. I don't know if you're like meant to wait for the topping to dry before you give it to them, or if you just give them a treat. I'm not sure. The dogs are definitely hanging around, so they're keen, they want some treats. They have to wait till they cool down because they're straight out of the oven. This stuff stinks though, like dog food. Kind of like dog food, but not like dog food, if that makes sense. It doesn't. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I am sorry that it's so over the place, but in the end we have got there, and I'm so excited to give these to the puppies because like it's doggy food and I made it myself. I don't usually make anything. So I'm really glad that they've turned out well. I hope this is what they're supposed to turn out like, but to me I think it looks okay. So I'm quite happy with them myself. There is a whole bunch of other types, like there's a donut, I know there's cupcakes, and there's like an actual cake and stuff. So if you guys would like me to do more of these videos and try out the other types so that you guys can see how they turn out instead of like spending $20 on the product yourself to go see if it works. I am more than happy to do that, and you guys can watch me struggle in the kitchen, but hopefully get to the final product at the end. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Okay, I'm going to give you guys one each. This is gonna be tricky. Cookie, you're gonna go first. Okay, look. Do you want it? Are you gonna take it? Do you want it? Do you approve? Do you approve? Is my cooking okay? Do you approve? Do you approve of my cooking?